Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn something super simple but very important. Articles in English, a, an, and the. What are articles? Articles are words we use before nouns. They help us understand which thing or how many we are talking about. There are two types of articles: indefinite article a and an, definite article the. A and an, indefinite articles. Let's start with a and an. We use them when we are talking about something for the first time or something that is not specific. Use a before words that begin with a consonant sound: a cat, a book, a car. Use an before words that begin with a vowel sound: an apple, an elephant, an hour. Hour starts with a vowel sound, even though it starts with H. It's not about the letter, it's about the sound. The definite article. Now let's talk about the. We use the when we are talking about something specific or something that both the speaker and the listener know. Example: the sun is bright. I saw a dog. The dog was very cute. The book on the table is mine. Let's do a quick practice. Fill in the blanks. I saw elephant at the zoo. She's reading interesting book. Moon looks beautiful tonight. First sentence: an elephant. Second: an interesting book. Third: the moon. I hope this video helped you understand how to use a, an, and the. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.